time, it's time, it's time! Yes, I know, it's Baby Royals Radio. Let's learn and sing in English y en español. So Royal, come on, let's go. It's time for Baby Royals Radio.
Two little laces laying on your toes. Wiggle, wiggle, say hello. Left one, right one, nice and slow. Ready, set, here we go. Hold them tight, don't let go. We're gonna make a little bow. Loop, cross, pull it through. Now you've got a bunny too. Tight, tight, not too tight. Make it snug and just right. Loop, cross, pull it through. That's what little hands can do. Try again, you'll see soon. You can tie your shoes. Make a loop, that's the ear. Soft and round right over here. Other lace goes around, sneaks behind without a sound. Push it through the little hole. Now you're in control. Loop, cross, pull it through. Now you've got a bunny too. Tight, tight, not too tight. Make it snug and just right. Oops, it slipped. That's okay. Little hands learn every day. Twist and turn, giggle, try. You're getting better every time. Loop, cross, pull it through. Now you've got a bunny too. Clap your hands, stomp your shoes. You tied both of your shoes. Cross, pull it through. I am proud of you.